bond equivalent yield is very basic. It says that the bond equivalent yield is 2 times the semi-annual yield. So I would add this over here. It is 2 times the effective semi-annual yield. So that is your bond equivalent yield. If let's say you get a YTM as 4%, okay, so that is not the YTM because this is the 6-month rate. So the actual YTM is expressed on a BEY basis. So on BEY basis it will be 8%. Note that this bond equivalent yield is not equal to the effective annual rate. Okay, bond equivalent yield and effective annual yield are not the same. So these two are not the same. Okay, why? Because the bond equivalent yield, what they have said is, if you are getting the return of 4% in 6 months, so this is the time of 6 months, this is 12 months, so they are saying that effectively over a 1 year period you get the return of 4% into 2, 8%. That is what the effective annual bond equivalent yield says. But in case of effective annual yield concept, what we say is, if this is your 4%, okay, you expect the 4% to come over here, so you have to do the compounding. So your effective annual yield will be equal to 1 plus this 4% to the power 2 minus 1. Right, so your effective annual yield will be slightly more than the bond equivalent yield. So it will, here it will be 8.16%. So note that what we say is effective annual yield is a compounding. Okay, it is a compound interest. Okay, and your bond equivalent yield, okay, it considers only the simple interest. Right, so that is the idea. So it covers the simple interest, and here you have the compound interest. That is why you find that the difference is there.